When applying a long-lasting nude lip color, you're gonna need 3 things. 1, a lip primer. 2, a waterproof nude lip liner. And 3, just a gloss. To start your application, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna just put your lip primer on. If you suffer with any bit of like chapped lips or anything like that, be sure to exfoliate your lips first and let them air dry before applying the primer. To apply the primer, I'm just literally gonna rub it on just like it's chapstick. And you can apply a generous amount, and what this is gonna do is hydrate your lips, but it's also gonna help the gloss from bleeding, and it's also gonna help your color to stay on longer. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna apply a waterproof lip liner. To apply that, you're just gonna start in the center, make a V, and with a nude, the tip of getting the right nude is literally matching the inside of your lips. My lips are naturally pinker, so my nude is more pink based. Some people have nude, like their natural lip color is a little bit on the browner side, so you're still gonna get a nude lip pencil, but it's just gonna be on the browner side. And when you'll know it's a good match if like when you put it on, you literally can't really tell that I'm putting it on. That's how you know it's the perfect match. It should blend in with your lip color. So the key to putting on your lip liner, as you see, is using short sweeping strokes. And you're just kind of connecting the lines. Just like that. And a thing that I see people often do when they're doing lip liner is they forget to go all the way down into the corner. You want to make sure when you're applying your lip pencil to go all the way down into the corner, and what that's going to do is give you a really pouty effect. So you can literally open up your mouth and go right in the corner. From the starting in the outer corner, like right in the end, and going up and connecting that to the line up here that you ended at. Same thing on this side. And another key, when you're doing your lip liner, you really want to make sure that you're just like connecting lines. So like I said, you start up here, you make your V, and then you do another line to here, another line here, then you start down here and you bring it up and you connect it. Same thing on the bottom. Naturally, you want to start on the outer corner, but what you're actually going to do is tighten this like this and make your first line. That line is going to help you to keep an even line because you're going to connect it this way and this way. If you started here, by the time you drag it over here, you could be crooked. So we're going to make the first line. And then we're just going to bring it out a little this way, a little this way, and then go into that corner. And then this corner. And then another key to a long-lasting nude lip is just filling it in. So we're going to fill in our whole lip. And if you have a waterproof pencils typically are a little drier. So you're going to want to, as you're doing this, keep that in mind. And I like doing short strokes because it helps it, because it is a little dry on your lip, especially with the primer. And the waterproof pencil that I love is by Urban Decay. Their lip liners, literally, they're waterproof. And so I use them all the time with all of my brides to ensure that through eating and drinking, your lip liner is staying on. And that's one of the biggest things with doing your long-lasting lip is that it's waterproof. Because that's what, like, even when the gloss, like, rubs off or through time wears off, because I'm lining it with a primer and a waterproof liner, I'm still going to have this base color. So by the time I remember to, you know, touch up my gloss, like if it wears down to this is fine and it's still a lip color and you still look perfectly glam. So the last thing I'm going to do is literally just apply the gloss on top. And a tip is to keep it in the center. By keeping it in the center, it gives you a more voluptuous and pouty lip, because it's literally, it's shiny in here, so your eye is being drawn to the center and it's creating a more voluptuous, like juicier looking lip, rather than if you put it all over the lip, then it's not as powerful, if that makes sense, the effect of it. So we're literally just gonna apply it in the center. And then naturally just blot a little. And that, my friends, is how you apply a long-lasting nude lippy. Nice and natural.